Pasta salad. It's a summer staple that's great for meal prep. It's creamy, tangy, loaded with crunchy veggies, and pairs well with just about everything that defines summer. Let's lean into our pantries and fridges and pull together a pasta salad for the win. Let's get started. Hi friend, my favorite pasta salad is the creamy variety with a vinegary tang to it. I have made this using many different shapes of pasta from elbow to fusilli to cavatappi and even shells. Basically, I use what I have in my pantry. And since we like to shop the sales and clearance sections, what I have changes from year to year. Today, it is fusilli, or in this case, 3 color salad spirals. I have about 2 quarts or liters of water here, and I am adding in almost 2 tablespoons of salt. I might not be great with salting my meals, but I do salt my pasta as it makes it more flavorful from within instead of depending on the sauce. This particular pasta has a suggested cook time of between 10 to 12 minutes. For pasta salad, the upper end of the cooking time is better. Al dente tends to have a slightly mealier texture when cold, but everything is personal preference. We usually cook our pasta just past al dente. It gives it a smoother, less chewy texture when cold. Don't overcook it or it'll be mushy. I gave this 13 to 14 minutes of cook time and it was perfect. I rinsed my pasta and placed it in a large, wide bowl to help it cool down. I tossed the pasta with 2 tablespoons of light olive oil and 1 tablespoon of vinegar. The oil keeps the pasta from sticking as it cools, and the vinegar adds a punch of flavor. I do love that vinegary tang, but you can skip this if you prefer less tang. I set the pasta aside for now to cool while I went ahead and did the knife work. I have some fresh chives that I got from my garden, along with some dying stalks of celery, an orange bell pepper, and a carrot. I finely mince the vegetables, and no, I don't peel my carrots. The skin adds nutrition, and the finer chop gives a better texture in the salad. Plus, if you are using onion, less large chunks to encounter. If you have a shallot or red onion, that is a great addition or substitution for the chives. Soaking an onion in water for a few minutes will help decrease the bite. The sauce is mayonnaise based, but use the mayo type you have in your house. Everyone has their preferences. I made a homemade mayo because I didn't have enough mayo to make this, but I had plenty of eggs. I eyeballed about 3/4 of a cup of mayo for the base. To this, I am adding about 1 tablespoon of yellow mustard, a 1/4 teaspoon of salt, and a 1/2 tablespoon of vinegar. Use a vinegar you like. I normally use white vinegar, but this time I had a cherry-flavored vinegar that I used. I'll show you how to make some when cherry season rolls around. I use this exact creamy dressing for potato salad too. It's a great all-purpose base. Add in pepper if you like. I forgot to add some in this time, but I did add a generous pinch of garlic powder and onion powder. Now taste it to see if it is balanced. Mine needed more salt and more vinegar to balance it out. My pasta is mostly cooled at this point. It is time to bring everything together. To the pasta, I am adding in all the minced vegetables as well as a 1/2 cup of thawed peas. Frozen peas hold up better in a pasta salad than canned peas, but use what you have. Blanched asparagus, broccoli, or corn are other great options. It's a great way to use up those leftover veggies before they go bad. Let me know what you like to put in your pasta salad. Now let's sauce this up. Pasta salad will suck up the sauce when it sits. I like to let it suck up the sauce while chilling, then add in a little more mayo and vinegar before serving to make sure it is a little saucy. This is the finished salad. If you dust the top with paprika, it gives it a nice finish. Serve this as is, or for a protein boost, add in boiled egg, assuming they aren't still costing a fortune. This salad, along with baked beans, would make a great addition to bacon-wrapped ribs for your barbecue this summer. If you enjoy seeing how to cook from your pantry and using seasonal ingredients, consider subscribing as I have more pantry-friendly recipes coming up. Don't forget to save this video so it's easy to find next time you're planning a summer meal. And thanks for hanging out with me today.